I'm going to do a little how to and how to add a YouTube video to Schoology. So how to add that file. Um, so I'm just going to show you. I have three different courses. This is what it looks like. So there's my second period, my third period, and fourth period. And I changed the picture. Not that that really matters, but I like to look at pictures. And then next semester I haven't done anything with, so I can distinguish between now and my laters. So I'm just going to go to second period here, and I divided these up by weeks. And Mr. Lasley wants our first 3 weeks. So I'm going to try to have my first 3 weeks of lesson plans ready to go before I get to school so I can work out any kinks before school actually starts. And for each week, I have them by days. Now, day 3, Wednesday, is a dud, but I'm not going to leave Wednesday out. And I'm just color coding my folders just because it's available and I can. So I'm down to day number 10, and the first thing that I'm going to do for my days is I'm going to put in my daily prefix suffix words. So I've already pre-recorded the prefix suffixes for those who might be distance learning that day, and I'm using a Google document to put in my prefix suffixes. So what I want to add is I want to add a link. So I want to add a link to my YouTube channel and to this video. So I've already copied the video, hopefully, and I'm on prefix suffix day 10. Now it says all sections, and I'm not exactly sure how to work with all this, but what I've been doing is I went to the courses and tried to play around with and rename my class instead of it being section 6-4. Well, I don't know what that is. Um, I tried to name it first semester, second period, so I added that in there. This align tool I'm not using right now because it's aligning it to the standards. And then individually assigned, no. Display in Schoology. Now, if you hit display in Schoology and it's already on there, then this video will just pop up in Schoology. Well, mine didn't do that. So what I'm going to do, just to be on the safe side, is I'm going to click for all of these to display in the new window so that YouTube will pop up in another window, and then I don't have to worry about whether or not the kids get it or it popping up. Mine just popped up in Schoology and had kind of like a little sad face. And then I don't want like 50 kids coming back and saying, oh, I couldn't get it. So I think this is probably the safe way to go. And then I just click add, and there it is. Now, I want to do that for my other two classes, but I don't want to manually do it. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to click on copy to course. And there's my second period. And again, I know it's this semester because I could read first semester, but it's got a picture. And then I'll choose, so I'm on week 2, day number 10, check. And I also want to do it for my third period, week 2, day number 10, check. And then click copy, and then I'm done. Now, if I want to check, I can go to courses, and I'll go to third period, and I'll go to week number 2, day 10. There it is.